Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this recent arrival, 2026 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. Arguably the biggest, best equipped, nicest 21-foot center console on the market. I'm a little partial because I do have one personally, but there's no other boat in 21 feet that carries this much beam, has this much space, seating for 7. This one is decked out. We have the 200 V6 Mercury, all with electronic controls. We have a water sports tow bar in the back. You have plenty of seating, nice JL audio stereo system, optional hardtop with the color matching glacier green underneath it. We have the upgraded console seat here with a live well in it. Great Simrad electronics package, Simrad VHF radio. This 21-footer even has a pump out head in it. Check out the seating up here. This is not a fishy center console. Look at the beautiful cushions you have. We have a Yeti cooler seat. We have backrests, lots of storage for your anchor. Just an all-around amazing boat, the 21 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Did I not mention it has a self-bailing cockpit as well? So again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is a 2026 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk in the beautiful glacier green hull. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.